What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Vicky and today I'm gonna show you some hairstyles for short hair because I know sometimes it can be boring to have short hair, but I think we can have a little bit of reinvention, if you might say so. And yeah, I cut my hair I'd say my mom cut my hair like 2 months ago in November, and yeah, it's quite short. My first reaction was like, oh my god, it's so freaking short. I totally dislike it, but then I was like, you know what, it's actually gonna grow, so I ain't got any problems with this. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you 5 simple and chic hairstyles for short hair. If you do enjoy this video, remember to subscribe, smash a big thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1, straight. My hair is quite voluminous and thick, so most of the times I'm wearing it like this, straight. If this haircut was good enough for Jennifer Aniston, if you remember her iconic haircut from 2001, then it's definitely good enough for you too. Number 2, the top knot. This hairstyle is super sleek and classy with minimal effort and very good from the front. It gives you a free face. It's a very good option for when you have a little greasy hair, and it goes so well with a scrunchie or a bow clip. I don't think it needs any explanation how to be done because it's so easy, like that's it. This is my most absolute favorite hairstyle after the first one because I've received so many compliments when I had this hairstyle, and I've been told many times that I should wear my hair like this much more often. Number 3 is a little bit of throwback to school. With these playful little ponytails, just divide your hair into equal sections, use a hair elastic, and that's it, you're done. You can't do it more simple than this. I don't think it's an everyday hairstyle thing because it might look a little bit childish, but I know I'd say give it a try because it's really cool, and why not? Sometimes we have to act a little bit childish. I mean, never lose the inner child in you, right? Oh Lord, how poetic. Number 4, S-waves. Use your hair straightener to create these little waves. It takes a bit of time and it's really a pain if you have thick hair, but totally worth it. This is the most time consuming one. As you may see, it's a little bit of a failure from my side because it's not that curly as I wanted it to be, so I really need to invest into a proper hair curler. But yeah, I think if you have like a good hair straightener and you know how to do it, then definitely do it because it's so fabulous. Number 5, half updo, half downdo. Just take the middle section of your hair up, use a scrunchie or a hair elastic and just leave some hair strands down from the front, and that's it. How simple is this? I absolutely love this hairstyle because I've rocked it when I had long hair, so it's a win-win in both situations. I've seen so many celebrities rocking this hairstyle, so I really love it. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye!